What's going on? It's your boy Miguel. I'm coming at you with a very quick video. This one's going to be short. I'm going to experiment with shorter form content, but packed full of value, of course. Something that could benefit you very quick and something that I can get to you much faster. So I was reading through a book. It's the book that I'm currently going through now, called the No BS Direct Marketing Guide for Non-Direct Marketing Businesses by Dan Kennedy. Talk about a mouthful of a title. And the whole premise of the book is about direct marketing. That'll be something else we'll get into in a later video. But the premise of the point that he was making in the chapter that I was reading was about how your business should be customer centric. What did he mean by that? He meant that everything should start and end with the customer in mind. So the message that you convey, the products that you create, everything that you do as far as your marketing plan and your business is concerned should start and end with the customer in mind. When I'm making these videos, I'm making them specifically for people that are into business or want to be in business or into marketing. That's it. People searching for cat videos aren't going to come across this video and be like, I wonder what this video is about. If anything, they're going to hear me talking and they're going to be like, who is this asshole? And they're going to click it off immediately. That's a good thing. That means that I will only attract the type of people that I want, and everything that I do is going to make them even happier and happier and happier, and that's going to breed more customers, because your customer, your ideal customer, is going to know other people who are also your ideal customer. Everything should be customer centric. If you're thinking that empathic, if you're looking at the world through your customer's eyes and you see everything that they want, you see like where their pain points are, what they desire most, what they want, then you're able to create content that you know will be valuable to them. You're able to make products that you know that they're looking for, and you're able to improve everything surrounding what they want. It makes your customer extremely happy, and it will make your business thrive. So that was the quick tip. Hope you got a lot of value out of that, and click below, subscribe, leave some comments, let me know what else you want to see on this video, and yeah, peace.